Turning the key and hearing nothing, or something that doesn't sound right, can be stressful. If your car doesn't start, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through what to do if your car won't start step by step, using simple checks you can do safely. By the end of this video, you'll have a better idea of what the problem might be and what to do next. First, make sure the car is actually in park or neutral. If the car is in gear, it may not start. Next, turn off anything that uses power, like headlights, air conditioning, or the radio. Then try starting the car again. Next, pay attention to what the car does when you turn the key. If you hear clicking, the battery may be weak or dead. If you hear nothing at all, the battery, starter, or ignition system could be the issue. If the engine cranks but doesn't start, the problem could be fuel or spark related. The next fix would be to check the battery. Look at the dashboard lights. If they are dim or don't turn on, the battery may be dead. If you have jumper cables in another vehicle, a jump start may help. If the car starts after a jump, the battery may need to be replaced. Another fix could be to try a simple reset. Turn the key back to the off position and wait about 30 seconds. Then try starting the car again. Sometimes this allows the car's systems to reset. Check for the obvious issues, making sure you have fuel in the tank. If the steering wheel is locked, gently turn the wheel while turning the key. If the car still won't start, avoid repeated attempts. This can drain the battery further. If the car still doesn't start, it may be time to call for roadside assistance or a tow. If this happens often, have a professional inspect the battery, starter, and charging system. And that's what to do if your car doesn't start. I hope this helps you stay calm and make the right decision in the moment. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more simple, step-by-step guides from The Daily Fix. Thanks for watching.